Good morning, everyone. I'm waiting for the ferry to cross the loch and get to Ardnamurchan Peninsula. Today I'm going to have some woodland photography. Come and join me. This is Ariundle National Nature Reserve. The word Ariundle sounds like one from the Lord of the Rings. This is an ancient Atlantic rainforest. Very few left of these Atlantic rainforests. Most of them can be found on the western coast of the UK and especially here the western coast of Scotland. What I expect here to see, lots of ancient oak trees, lots of green mosses, lichens, beautiful quirky trees, and of course lots of waters, rivers, streams, little cascades, waterfalls. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the trail. It's just about sunrise. It's still very dark, lots of clouds, but that's kind of perfect for woodland photography. And that's perfect for woodland photography. So just as I said, look at this tree. So that's what I expect. Quirky, moss-covered, lichen-covered trees. Beautiful, beautiful. Little stream cascading down between moss-covered rocks. I think I'm gonna give it a try. This one here, I have the feeling it will work best in vertical, and including this tree, that tree trunk, and the frame up like somehow like this. The scene looks better in landscape orientation. I'm going to grab my polarizer and see if I need to have some polarizing effect on the water, or I don't need it. The polarizer made the surface of the water too dark, so I decided to keep the one without it. Now the last composition on this stream would be this one. And I don't think I'm gonna include this last drop of the cascade, and I'm gonna focus on those two boulders and those two cascades. Also because I don't like to have this brown dyed fern in my image, so I need to go a little bit closer because at the moment my tripod is too far back behind. Let's see if I can find a suitable spot. For this result, I had to focus stack two images. One focusing on the boulders in the foreground, and the other one focusing on the boulder in the background. It started to drizzle, but it's not really serious. Not what we can not endure. It's beautiful over here. I framed up this composition. You can see now that's it's beautiful, so vibrant green on the trunk of the trees and on the rocks, and the stream just zigzagging down between these rocks. It's just beautiful. I'm really in my element, although it's raining heavily. Who cares? After looking at that weird tree with the ferns on the branches, I just turned around and I noticed this composition. I like how the road is coming from this direction and the rocks from this direction and acting as a leading line towards the quirky T, and then there is a point where the path takes, and that's kind of looks really nice. I'm going to take a composition, take a photo using a polarizer, of course, to enhance the color and reduce the glare. And also I again changed to 16:9 crop. As you can see, it looks much better in a wider landscape orientation and 16:9 crop. This forest is amazing. It's a shame we don't have more of these left here in the UK. I'm heading back on the trail now. I can imagine what kind of creatures are creeping here during the night. Fairies, elves, leprechauns, although leprechauns live in Ireland. Oh, what a wonderful day again. The main waterfall of this trail, although it looks beautiful, but not on photo, unfortunately. It's the loudest one, but not the most photogenic. Oh, finally, I'm back in the dry car. This was Ariundle National Nature Reserve and Atlantic Rainforest. It's a magical place I can recommend to anyone. If you want to come and join me to the coastal photography, then stay tuned. It's coming soon. See you next time.